Welcome to the Angular Architect Podcast. Today, we aren't just talking about syntax sugar. We are talking about the binary evolution of a framework that is re-engineering itself for the next decade. Section 1. The Compiler Revolution. Let's start with standalone components. It is not just about removing ng modules. That's the junior view. As an architect, you need to think about the static linker. In the legacy era, Angular had to resolve a global scope of components within a module. This created linker overhead that bloated your bundles. Standalone components shift us toward an ESM-first approach. Each component is now a self-contained unit in the dependency graph. Why does this matter for micro front ends? Because it allows for truly isolated binary units and sub-millisecond lazy loading. We are moving from global resolution to local resolution. That is the edge you need to mention in your next technical audit. Section 2. The Anatomy of Signals. Now let's talk about the real reactive brain, signals. Most developers compare signals to RXJS, but that is a category error. RXJS is push-based. It's a stream. Signals? They are a producer-consumer graph. They are pull-based. Here is the secret. When a signal changes, it doesn't immediately update the DOM. Instead, it marks its consumers as dirty. The actual update only happens when Angular's change detection cycle pulls the latest value. This is the key to glitch-free execution. In a legacy Zone.js app, change detection is O of n. It scales with your tree. In a signal-based app, it is O of 1 at the component level. That is how you scale an enterprise dashboard without hitting a performance wall. Section 3. The Zoneless Future. Finally, let's look at the horizon, zoneless and resumability. Why is the team at Google obsessed with removing Zone.js? The answer is hydration. Traditional full-client hydration is slow and expensive. By using signals and moving to zoneless mode in Angular 18, we are paving the path for partial hydration. Because signals track dependencies so precisely, Angular can eventually resume the application on the client without re-executing the entire logic from scratch. When you move to experimental zoneless, you're saving 30 kilobytes of polyfills and stopping the monkey patching of the browser's main thread. That is a master-level optimization. To wrap up, modern Angular is shedding its enterprise heavyweight reputation. It is becoming a lean, graph-based engine. Master the graph, master the internals, and you don't just write code, you architect systems. Go build something solid.